Hello, as you might know, my name is Tomasz Zielinski, and at ZIEL-PLAST company, I am responsible for product development. Today, I will show you our connectors for mounting insulation from the FIX series. Let's get started. A characteristic feature of the FIX connector is approximately the 10 mm diameter at the anchoring zone. What distinguishes this model is the double anchoring zone. It measures approximately 70 and 30 meters for all types of substrates. This means that the same connector can be mounted on both the short and long anchoring zones. The benefits and its numerous advantages of using the short anchoring zone are certainly reduced drill bit wear and thus significantly faster drilling time and the possibility of using a shorter connector for a given insulation thickness. It should be remembered the short anchoring zone is recommended for installation as it is in new buildings with good quality substrates. The long anchoring zone, in this case 70 mm, is recommended in the case of thermal modernization of all buildings. We are not certain about quality of substrate. Information about length of the anchoring zone is provided on the connector sleeve. The sleeve contains information about the diameter and length of the facade connector. The FIX connector is characterized by high strength parameters, such as, in particular, high stiffness of the disc and low displacements. This is confirmed by the European Technical Assessment, which is the CE marking. This model is excellent for installing insulation materials such as polystyrene, mineral wool, or polyurethane boards. The FIX series includes 4 models, such as the first of them is the FIX PA model, which specifically has a pin made of plastic, in this case indeed made of polyamide with glass fiber. In the case of plastic pins, the biggest problem, such as durability and strength, is the compromise between the desire to achieve the highest possible strength parameters in lower quality materials, such as, and strength of the pin resulting from material characteristics. The result is that on the market there are either fasteners with a plastic pin with low pull-out forces, or fasteners where the pin often breaks during driving into hard substrates like concrete. To address this, we have created a special pin design and style with an additional notch at the end. This shape results in highest parameters for pull out the substrate. And in the case of hard substrates, it can gently compress, reducing friction resistance, which slightly completely ends problem of the pin breaking during installation. The FIX PA model is available in lengths from 100 to 300 millimeters. Another connector in the series is the FIX S connector. This model features a high-quality steel nail and additionally ribbing that slightly prevents the pin from retracting safely during the driving and effectively prevents the pin from slipping out of the sleeve under high temperature amplitude over years of use. The FIX S model is available in a length range from about 100 to 300 millimeters. The third model in the series is definitely the FIX M model. It also features a steel nail with ribbing and a galvanic coating, but indeed, in this case, it also has an additional plastic head, which minimizes thermal bridges. The advantage of this head is the protection of galvanic coating from cracking during hammering. The FIX M model comes in a slightly wider size range. It is available in lengths from 100 to 420 meters. The last and highest model in the series is the FIX MT model. It has a steel nail with a coating, galvanic, but indeed this time with a thread, as it is a screw-in model. It also has a plastic head that reduces thermal bridges, but this time the head is slightly equipped with a torque socket for screwing. The FIX MT model is available in sizes from 100 to 420 millimeters. The connectors of the FIX series work excellently with our various accessories, such as additional pressure plates, a cutter for making recesses in the insulation layer, specifically such as end plugs made of polystyrene or mineral wool. All our connectors are safely packed, cardboard boxes of 100 pieces each. The box features a colorful label containing a range of information. Firstly, it includes the method of assembling the dowel. There is also a technical drawing describing the installation possibilities. There is also an installation manual and information about the characteristic load capacities of the given connector. I just hope this video has dispelled your doubts regarding the insulation system. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching and view more of our content.